Hey y'all, Nicolo's on here with an important PSA. Your clients need websites. Okay, so that's not exactly groundbreaking, but it's still a huge missed opportunity for so many agencies. The reality is website design and hosting is a billion-dollar market, yet less than 75% of agencies offer these solutions. I get it. Sometimes it feels out of reach. You might not have a team of developers and web design mavericks at your fingertips. Or do you? This is where white label website solutions come into play. I know that we've sung the praises of white label solutions on this channel before, but just to recap, white label solutions are products and services that you can rebrand and resell to your own business clients. I'm breaking reselling white label websites down into 3 steps to get you started on the path to scaling your business, expanding your services, and grabbing a piece of that billion-dollar pie. Step 1, know your options. Let's talk about the kinds of white label website solutions you can resell. First, creation and design. This is the public-facing digital real estate at the core of your client's online presence. Think fast, functional, and accessible websites with some curb appeal too. Next, consider infrastructure with web hosting. This includes virus malware protection, secure connections, site backups, increased bandwidth, and more of that technical stuff that's essential, but maybe a bit out of your wheelhouse. Luckily, it's easy to offload to the white label web hosting experts. Speaking of tech, web builders will empower even your most tech-adverse clients. This DIY option works with more modest budgets, and there's no coding or design skills required. Drag and drop for the win. Next, consider content. A house without furniture is like a website without content. Researched, industry-specific content optimized for web pages, blogs, and more will help your clients become trusted experts in their field. If you're interested in more content on this and other digital marketing topics, be sure to check out the rest of our YouTube channel and have a look at our content library for blogs, case studies, webinars, ebooks, and all that good stuff. There's a link in the description. Finally, the cherry on top, add-ons. Think appointment scheduling, live chat, additional e-commerce functionalities, and more, providing ongoing value with supplementary products that will benefit both you and your clients. And remember, all these solutions can be bundled with your other offerings like SEO or PPC advertising, so you become the one-stop shop for all your clients' needs. On to step 2 now, choose a provider. When selecting a white label team to represent your brand, you want to look for a partner that aligns with your goals and vision, has a stellar reputation, and operates transparently. When it comes to website-specific solution partners, here are some quick tips to keep in mind. Number 1, ensure the provider partner has a portfolio of past websites across different verticals for you to review. Number 2, be clear on the provider's specific security guarantees and parameters. You want to trust your provider so your clients can trust you with their valuable business data. Number 3, seek out partners that offer free migration from one provider to the next for a bit more flexibility. Number 4, there should be minimum hosting speed requirements. Nobody has time for slow websites. Finally, on to step 3, know how to sell. White label providers do a lot of the heavy lifting to free up your focus on this next part, reselling the website solutions that your clients need. Here's how. Get customers to buy in. Creating a custom website comes with a lot of variables. Client uncertainty is an opportunity to build trust in your professionalism and expertise. And that doesn't mean getting overly technical either. Instead, show local business prospects where they can win. Highlight areas of improvement on their current website or start from scratch and get them excited about everything a website can do for them. Eliminate the fear of one-time web design. There's a misconception that web design is a one-off service that comes with zero assistance after the site is built. Instead, assure your clients that it's an ongoing relationship. With a white label partner, your agency can help with maintenance, updates, add-ons, or redesigns. Offer a variety of website services for their business. Variety is the spice of life after all. Do clients want a WordPress site? You got it. Time for a change? Import their sites to a new platform. You're the one-stop shop. And there you have it, folks. Taking advantage of white label website solutions can lead to huge gains for your agency without adding a ton of overhead or losing face by openly outsourcing your products and offerings. Every other aspect of digital marketing funnels back to your client's website, so make it count. It can be as simple as 1, 2, 3. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Nicole Lozon. Keep conquering local.